The following tutorial describes the updates on the Primescan 2 scanning flow for reference and copy dentures, as well as impression trays. Let's begin. We have tweaked the experience when initiating a denture treatment using Primescan 2. It begins either in the patient's media library or directly from the treatment space. Both are valid entry points. From there, a new treatment is created. Once the treatment is initiated, the indication is selected, denture. 3 options are available: copy denture, reference denture, and custom impression tray. After selecting the appropriate type, for example, reference denture, the treatment is created and the scan can be initiated immediately. This is a streamlined process with Primescan 2. One click starts the scan. Note that initiating the scan directly from DS Core is currently supported for all denture types except partial frameworks. The scan of the relined existing denture is performed into the default catalogues: upper jaw, lower jaw, and buccal bite. Depending on the clinical situation, scanning can be done intraorally or extraorally on existing dentures. Once the scan is completed, the data, along with the treatment information, is automatically transferred into the order. There's no need for manual file matching or re-entering patient details. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about newdies, core features, and functionalities. Thank you for watching.